Hello YouTube, let's learn a little trick which is actually how to get IP of our own localhost through grabbing name of our localhost. So there are two steps here, okay? And every time when we are dealing with networking, we're gonna of course use sockets. So import socket. Now let's first get name of our PC, because let's pretend that we don't know what was the name of this machine. Maybe you are running this script on someone else's PC. I don't know what you're doing. Maybe you're an administrator, you're messing around with different machines. Anyway, let's go to solution. So name of this PC, we will get it when we employ socket get host name. Okay, three parts: get host name, just name, and that's it. Let's print it. Name of this PC, and result will be that name of my machine is desktop. Relatively simple stuff. Now you need to pass result of this operation to another option, and that is get host by name. Okay, we are here getting name, and now we are using that to provide data to another function. For example, we will print results of socket get host by name. That actually means get IP by name, and we will grab name of this PC. So name of this PC, and let's run it, and there you go. Now you have name, which is result of this operation here, and you have IP, which is a result of this operation here. Now let's make this a little simpler. So we will import socket module as S. Okay, now we will change this to S, this to S, and the thing will be absolutely same. See? Oops, my error, sorry. Let's run it again. There you go. So we have two parts here, but we can also do that on single line. Check this out. Let's delete actually everything. So print socket, s dot get host by name, and we will provide to it s get host name, and that's it. There you go. Okay, now if you don't want to use this S, the thing is you can also experiment with from socket import get host name and get host by name, and now you don't need to use S here. So this is first part, and this is second part. Second part cannot operate without this part right here. So let's run it, and there you go. Really simple stuff. Maybe this is a little bit confusing if you are new, but over time, as you gather experience with networking and sockets, it will be it will be your second nature. So don't worry if all these commands confuse you. Just remember, this is a place where you get name, and this is a place where you get IP. So that's about it. Thank you for watching, thank you for support and subscription, and as always, see you in next tutorial.